Do you know many people are having trouble with filling their shark steam mop? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug mop. Ensure the steam mop is unplugged to avoid any risk of electric shock. Step 2. Remove cap. Remove the water tank cap by turning it counterclockwise. Step 3. Fill tank. Use the provided flask to fill the tank with water. Step 4. Secure cap. Tighten the cap by turning it clockwise until secure. Step 5. Plug in. Check all parts are secure, then plug in the mop for use. By following these steps, you should now be able to fill your steam mop effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other shark users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.